Yo, no? What's up, no? Let's welcome back to my channel, bro. What's up, friends, no? So, in this video, no, some of my friends asking me, how do I earn through using BidFi, no? Platform exchange. So, maraming tayong mga friends na nagtatanong kung paano tayo kumikita sa using BidFi. So, maraming nag-ano sa akin na reach out. So, a lot of my friends reaching out how I earn. So, ito yung, this is the video that I will create for today. Explain step by step on how to join, how to earn rewards or how to join BidFi Army and earn exclusive. Kasi nga, dahil nga dito, sample. Bitin lang yung sample number one is trading, of course. So, withdraw. So, ito yung ano natin. Pakita ko na lang din sa mga nanonood, no? So, welcome to my channel po sa mga viewers natin, no? And then, discuss po na natin habang nag-loading. Ito. So, ito yung earnings ko through using BidFi exchange. Yan. Kita nyo naman, no? Via trading and may kasamang may kasama na ring commission. Kita natin. Ito yan. Commission. So, sa mga nag-a-ask kasi yan. You can earn in BidFi using commission base. So, isa to sa mga habang nag-aantay, explain muna natin pala to, no? So, ano nga ba yung BidFi Army Partner Program? So, BidFi Armies are key contributors to BidFi communities and key members of our global roadmap. So, join us, no? Click mo lang yan. So, click mo lang yan. Mabagal lang at ito yung sinasabi ko sa isa sa mga pwede kang mag-earn using BidFi is yung commission. So, kita nyo naman, ito yung kinitang commission overall since joining BidFi. And sa ngayon wala pa kasi akong referral, no, na nag-trade, pero previous months yun meron. So, i-click mo lang, kakopy mo lang yung link mo and then paste mo sa any social media na pwede kang makakuha ng traders doon. And then, balik tayo dito. Fill up this application form. So, then, basahin nyo lang po yung instructions if you want to be part of BidFi Army and then earn exclusive rewards. Basahin nyo lang yan. So, balik tayo dito. So, ito yung step, join Telegram. So, click mo lang yan. Then, sign up, fill out application, then welcome aboard. So, who can join BidFi Army? So, sabi dito, if you have crypto-related communities on social media such as Telegram, Facebook, Discord, etc., you can apply to become a member. Ako, I already a member of BidFi Army. So, kaya naka-join ako dito and nag-earn ako ng exclusive rewards kasi nga sumasali ako sa mga events. Like example nito. Number one yan. Operate Telegram and Discord community as well as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube channels. Increase coverage of BidFi existing module matrix. So, pag nagsishare ka ng topic or event or any promotion sa social media, nakakatulong ka sa community ng BidFi. So, number 2, Plan marketing events that meet needs local users, increase participation, local activities behalf of BitPay. The most important thing is to cooperate with BitPay public growth needs. So, number 3 naman, we offer a generous salary bonus with no limit. Yun, isa na nga ako doon. Ito na nga yung kanina, yung pinikwento ko na withdraw ko. So, exclusive merchandise, BitPay t-shirt and more. Okay. Armies, duties, and benefits. So, ito yung mga benefits and armies. So, passionate, enthusiastic about cryptocurrency creation and BitPay. BitPay brand philosophy. And then marketing. Promote BitPay. Build and manage your own team and cooperate with. Expand to your income. Okay. So, yun. Kuha tayo. Balik tayo doon. So, ito na. Pakita lang natin. Para hindi tayo masabihan na nag-iimbento lamang. So, yeah. Then, resourceful, establish a good connection with the community to develop business, provide greatest support. So, how it works, no? Ito na yun. First of all, join BitPay Army Onboard Group. Okay. So, if you have Telegram, create account. Create ka lang. Then, click mo lang example, join. Tapos, ganyan. Okay, yan. Then, click open. Click natin open. Then, ito na yung lalabas dyan. Yan, BitPay. Dito ka na sasali. First, kailangan mo ng Telegram account. Dito ka na sasali. Join ka dyan. Then, balik tayo dito. Okay, fill out form, obtain your affiliate links and codes. Okay, click mo lang yung apply. Connection. Ito na nga yung habang nag-load. Ito na nga yung sinasabi ko, spread BitPay. So, paano mo siya may spread? By using, ako kasi may Telegram ako. And then Facebook. So, nagsishare ako ng events, promos, marketing, and related BitPay na makakatulong sa ecosystem ng BitPay. Share your army links, codes with your friends and community to promote BitPay. Ayan. Apply. Pwede ko i-click yan. Apply. Medyo mabagal ang internet natin, ha, mga sirs. Okay, ito yun. So, read nyo na lang ito. Fill out nyo. What is your name? What's your Telegram username? Or kung may na-create ka ng BitPay account, gamitin mo yung referral link ko dyan sa video ko sa YouTube, sa description below. Use my referral code. Yan. Type mo UID, saan nakukuha yung UID. Okay, dito lang yung makikita. Ayan, UID. Ayan. Dito sa account, click mo itsura ng tao, tapos account. Okay, balik tayo doon. Then, prefer Gmail o email address mo. And then, country you are, saan ka ba? And then, could you introduce your trading work experience? Pwede yan. Spot trader, future traders. How do you have you download BitPay app? If you don't have BitPay account yet, please download the app. Register. Yun na nga. Click mo yung referral link ko para magkaroon ka ng BitPay application experience. So, doon, pwede ka makakuha ng bonuses. So, click mo lang yung yes. Then, have you joined BitPay Army on group? So, click mo yan. Papunta yan dito. Tapos, pwede ka makakuha ng mga bonuses agad upon joining. So, meron silang pamimigay dyan. Tapos, do you have any advice about function features? So, kung may nakita kang hindi maganda na feature sa BitPay, pwede mo suggest, kikita ka din doon. So, you can earn rewards using custom doon, suggesting. So, by suggesting. Then, after you, napila pa mo na yan, click mo yung welcome, submit. Okay. So, talila, no? Okay, yun nga in commission payment. Okay, learn more. So, all rewards will be in your account in 24 hours. Payment method USDT. So, kailangan mo talaga ng BitPay account kasi doon isi-send yung payment or yung reward na nakuha mo. The 15th and 30th of each month. So, yan, learn more. Check natin yan. Okay. So, yun, yung partnership program natin. So, read nyo lang po. Contact. Okay. Okay, read nyo lang to. Ayan. Tapos, follow nyo yung steps. Ayan. Sign up, get trial funds, 5 million forms. All rewards will be disputed in your account. Okay, your commission is calculated from 100 USDT per month. So, valid user equals to you. Valid user means 1,000 trading volume in futures or 200 trading volume in spot. So, ito na. Maganda to. Kung futures trader ka, so ito na yung magandang suggestion ko para magkaroon ka ng rewards. So ito na nga yung ginagawa ko, kaya ako nagkakaroon ng rewards and bonuses. Ito rin yung sinasabi kong referral naman, kaya makakakuha ka ng 5 USDT referral fee. And 200 trading volume in spot. You have 100 active users. 1,000. So, malaki. You introduce 10 community groups and you get $10. 5 USDT equals to 50 USDT referral fee. So, okay. Ito lang yung example dyan. Yan. Okay, babasahin nyo lang yan, ha? Master Sergeant Official Section. Okay, read nyo lang to, read. So, maganda, no? Maganda. Okay, so, yan. About naman sa FeedPi. So, FeedPi is a one-stop social trading platform for individual investors and has been offering professional, convenient, and innovative trading solution to global users since 2020. So, ito yung years of service. So, 3 years, 5 months, and 26 days na. So, with the slogan, build your dream finance, take cryptocurrency trading to a new whole level as first platform to afford users autonomy and leave permanent imprint on progress. So, ito yung 2 million registered users and then 100,000 monthly active users. Okay. And then covered countries, nasa 168 plus na sila. Meron din copy trading, meron din perpetual contracts, leverage token, and spot trading. So, yun, no? Sana maano yung invitation ko na magkaroon. So, solid talaga. Tingnan natin ulit, balikan natin para sabing gawa-gawa lang. Maganda tong opportunity na to. Earn passive income. So yan, maganda to. Balikan nyo lang to. Basahin nyo lang to. Kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng extra income. So yan lang. Ito, yeah. So, ito yung withdraw ko nung 9/18, nung August 29, then 24, August 15, okay, July 7, July 30. Since nag-start akong gumamit ng FeedPi nung June yan, then first trade, mga may akong gumamit din, na-withdraw ko nung June 29. So, imagine mo ilan yan. So, take the opportunity. So, yun lang, no, mga sirs, no. Salamat. Click mo na yung bell, then subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Lang, happy trading, sirs, no. Salamat sa panonood. Salamat.